Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'll film this video because I saw Hailey Bieber decided to release like a peach makeup challenge on TikTok and on Instagram Reel. I don't use both of those, so I thought why not do like a makeup look on YouTube. I know my friend Judy has done like a peach makeup look like a month ago, which I'll also put the link down below because I absolutely love the tone on her. So I thought why not give this a try and try some of the products that I haven't used for a while and some new products as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. For the base, I want to make it really glowy but not too much at the same time. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face with this Colourpop Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. I love this one for moisture, for hydration, and gives me a really nice glowy finish as well on the face. For the foundation, I've been loving this one, and this one is the 3CE Velvet Fit Foundation, which gives you a velvety finish but also leans toward a little bit matte. However, mixing it with the primer wouldn't give you that much of a matte finish, which is great. For the brows, I'm using something a bit high-end today, and I've been loving this one. This is the Tom Ford Brow Sculptor in No. 4 Espresso. Honestly, it's very similar to the Heda one that I really like, but I decided to switch up a bit just to see whether I like this one. And this one was a gift from a friend, and I realized that I had it and I was like, oh, why did I not use it? And I ended up actually loving it so much. The palette I'll be using today is this Etude House Peach Farm, which I thought suited the theme for today, which is all these beautiful peachy eye colors, from, you know, like the brown shade to the peachy corally shade, and then darker brown for more gradation or deepen up the eye look. I'm going to first apply this dark pinkish coral shade all over the lid space. Taking the darker shade in the palette, I'm just slowly applying this on the outer part of my eye to create a bit more darkish brown at the end, just for some contrasting as well. And then left over lower lash line again. I'm using my pinky to apply this golden champagne shade, and just applying this on the middle part of my eyes to give a little bit of that shimmer, making sure that I don't reach the inner part of the eyes because I want like a 3-tone shade on this eyeshadow look. So it'll be like coral pink to this gold champagne color to the dark brown. And then we can just blend everything out with the previous dark color as well to remove any harsh line. But at the moment I feel it's okay because the shimmer is very light and faded. Taking a flat brush, I'm just going to apply a little bit of light shimmer on the inner part of the eye as well, just to brighten up this eye look a little bit more. The eyeshadow is done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera to apply a brown wing eyeliner, tightline my eyes with brown gel liner, curl my lashes, and apply fake lashes. I'll put all the products I use down below as well. So yeah, I will be back. And I'm going to apply bottom mascara, and I'm putting this on my bottom lashes. I'm going to bronze out my face, and I'm using my Bobbi Brown bronzer, and I've pretty much hit the pan, which I'm pretty proud of because not often would I hit pan for my beauty products. Thought this blusher suits the theme, and this is the It's Skin Mystery Peach in No. 1, which is a beautiful peachy orangey shade. I'm not sure if this is still available, but if it is, I will put the link down below where I got it from because I feel like it really is the perfect peachy shade for a blush, and I absolutely love how subtle it is, but also it's so easy to just build it up. Look at that. So you can have it really light or you can have it quite heavy, up to you. And also it's like real affordable as well when I first got it. So yeah, got my highlighter, and this is so cute looking. This is the Lily by Red highlighter in No. 2, which has like a beautiful like gold shimmery shade, which I thought would be the perfect combo for a peachy look. And I'm just applying this on my cheekbone area. Last step is the lip, and I'm using this Corally shade by PETITE 80 Ink Velvet in number 17, which is called Attach Orange Pink, which it's suitable for this theme, man. So I'm just applying this. So this is my final look for the peach makeup. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!